Namaste, this is JVN Dr. Rakesh Sharma, Professor and HOD Department Organon of Medicine and Homeopathic Philosophy, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today my topic is case taking, homeopathic case taking. Or we can say case receiving. The motto of homeopathic case taking is not discover the common symptom of the disease, instead of understanding man in disease. The man in disease means is the reaction of every individual patient in sickness. Because homeopathy is based on individualization, every individual person reacts accordingly his individual mental disposition and mental state. So individualization is the main process of case taking by which we understand the person in sickness, how he reacts. Some patients are very mild during sickness, some patients are angry, some patients are irritable, some patients are crying, some patients are looking very anxious, very tensed. So every individual person has some peculiar mental state during sickness, and there is the manifestation of emotional and mental disposition of the patient during the sickness, and we have to understand these mental state for the successful homeopathic prescription. So homeopathic case taking is the process of understanding the man in disease, how he react, how he behave during sickness, what is his peculiarity, what his individuality, which is very, very marked. Because homeopathy system is never based on the common symptom of the disease. We cannot select our perfect homeopathic medicine on the basis of common symptom of the disease. Instead of, our selection of homeopathic medicine is based on the individualistic characteristic feature of the case. Suppose a child is suffering from diarrhea. One child is very irritable, another child is very mild, timid during the same disease condition, and the another child is very, very yielding. Another child is continuous weeping, crying. So all these four children are suffering from the same disease, but his reactions of all four children are very different. So this difference manifests the individual mental state of the child. So it is very, very necessary to find out the individualistic characteristic feature of the case. Means to find out the characteristic symptom. In every sickness, so Dr. Hahnemann mentioned about case taking in aphorism 83 to 104 in 6th edition of Organon. Actually, case taking is start whenever a patient enter in our clinic and when sitting in the waiting room, and in the waiting room how he behaves to the other patients, how he sit, how he talk, and his tone of voice. All these things are very necessary, because all from such things we can understand the person in the sickness easily. Some patients are very talkative in the waiting room, so we can easily guess the possible medicine for this is the lachesis, phosphorus, etc. Some patients are very reserved, don't like to talk with other patients, so this category may guess like the natrum patient, very reserved, dignified persons. Some patients are very egoistic, haughty patients, which indicates the platinum medicine also. So the observation part is very necessary, very important in case taking, because through the observations we can easily understand the patient's gestures, manners and tones. So in observation part there are some points should we keep in mind, that is the gestures, manners and tone, because many times we can very near to simillimum if we know all these things through the observation, means gestures, manners and his tone. There are basically three types of the tone in the patient, that is high tone, which is manifesting the angry, irritable mood of the patient. Rough tone is sometimes indicate the patient is very abusive, rude. Some patients speak in a very mild tone, very in soft tone. These patients shows reverence for the doctor and the other patient in the waiting room. These patients are very mild, yielding, friendly dispositions. So we can easily guess the possible remedies of that particular patient. Okay. So observation part is very important, and also observation part is very important in children's cases, because in children cases there is a scarcity of the subjective symptoms. So only the observation power is the very important to find the simillimum in the children's cases. Now next part is the how patient elaborate his complaints. Every word of the patient is very important, and we have to write down every word of the patient, and it means not write down only, we have to understand the core feeling of the patient behind each word, because this is the most bothering of the patient to during sickness. Like some patient says, I am fed up with the cough. If a patient says, I am fed up with the cough, so we have to elaborate fed up word, कि परेशान हो चुका हूं मैं, तो हमें उसको समझने की जरूरत है कि किस चीज की परेशानी हो रही है. फेड अप मतलब कि क्या चीज में आ रही है तुम्हारी लाइफ के अंदर, डिजीज की वजह से क्या परेशानी हो रही है, क्या डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट हो रहा है, हमें उसको समझना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द कोर फीलिंग ऑफ द पेशेंट, व्हाई ही यूजिंग these words, what is the main reason behind it, what thing is most bothering to the patient. Suppose patient says कि I am very fed up, I am feeling very tormented from these pains. What actually we have to ask the patient, what type of tormented feeling, what do you feel exactly behind it? So maybe patient says, due to pain, I can't focus on my work. This creates lot of disturbance in my life. I can't do my proper job. I can't do my office properly. Means here is the feeling is the patient does not like to be disturbed. And this sickness, this pain creates lot of disturbance in the patient work. So this is the mental state of the person, patient. These are the characteristic features. All patients does not says these things. Some patients are very contented. There is no bothering from these pains. So we have to understand the mental state of the person. We have to understand and elaborate every word of the patient, because this is the most troubling symptom of the patient कि disease की वजह से मुझे इस काम में ये problems आ रही है, तो हमें उसको understand करने की जरूरत है. Some patients are, I don't like to be disturbed. Some patients are contented. Some patients are very quarrelsome. Some patients are very angry, just like the nux vomica patient. Because in nux vomica there is intolerance, there is contradiction. So all these things are very, very important to understand the person. Thank you.